Many cars today look great on paper, but hide costly problems beneath the surface. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 most reliable cars you can buy right now, based on facts, not hype, so you can avoid expensive mistakes and make a smarter choice. Let's get started. Number 7. Honda Accord. To be honest, when Honda first introduced a turbocharged engine for the Accord, I had my doubts. Turbos can bring added heat, wear, and the potential for pricey repairs down the road. But after reviewing real-world data and listening to feedback from hundreds of Accord owners, it's clear Honda got this one right. The modern Accord combines classic Honda durability with smooth, responsive performance. Owners aren't just satisfied, they're reporting levels of reliability and comfort that rival and sometimes exceed those of luxury brands. What makes it even better? You get all this without the steep maintenance costs or premium extended warranties that come with owning a luxury sedan. While many luxury cars depreciate quickly and trap buyers in costly leases or financing deals, the Accord holds its value, keeps repair bills low, and avoids the hidden costs that turn many high-end vehicles into long-term headaches. If you're deciding between a mainstream and luxury midsize sedan, the Accord offers the best of both worlds, refinement and reliability without the regret. Number 6. Toyota Prius. Say what you will about its styling, this car is an endurance legend. There are countless examples of Priuses still running smoothly well past 200,000 miles on their original hybrid batteries, something that's incredibly rare in the hybrid world. What sets the Prius apart is Toyota's approach. Instead of rushing to market with flashy, unproven hybrid tech, Toyota took a slow and steady path, refining their system over time. The result is one of the most reliable and time-tested hybrid drivetrains on the road today. But it's not just about avoiding the high cost of battery replacements, though those can easily cost thousands. Prius owners also benefit from low insurance premiums, minimal maintenance needs, and impressive resale value. That's a rare combination in any vehicle segment, let alone hybrids. If you're looking for a car that quietly saves you money for years, at the pump, in the repair shop, and on your insurance, the Prius absolutely deserves your attention. It may not turn heads, but it's one of the smartest long-term choices out there. Number 5. Lexus ES. If you've ever dreamed of owning a luxury vehicle but hesitated because of the horror stories, think endless repair bills, electrical issues, or sudden transmission failures after the warranty ends, the ES is the car that breaks that pattern. What makes the Lexus ES so dependable is its foundation. It's built on the ultra-reliable Toyota Camry platform, one of the most trusted drivetrains in the industry. But Lexus didn't stop there. They wrapped that reliability in high-end materials, excellent sound insulation, and true luxury comfort. The result? A premium driving experience without the typical headaches that come with European luxury cars. ES owners regularly see 250,000-plus miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. Lexus's careful approach to tech, avoiding overcomplicated, failure-prone features, adds even more long-term confidence. Insurance costs stay manageable thanks to the ES's strong safety ratings and outstanding reliability. And when it's time to sell, it holds its value far better than many of its luxury rivals, which often depreciate rapidly once the warranty runs out. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that delivers peace of mind, dependable performance, and lasting comfort, the Lexus ES is one car you won't regret owning. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. Too many modern SUVs suffer from premature issues, blown turbos, early transmission failures, and costly electronic glitches. The CX-5 avoids that trap by sticking to a smarter formula, a naturally aspirated engine paired with a rock-solid transmission. These are proven, reliable components designed for the long haul. Mazda didn't rush this SUV to market. Instead, the CX-5 has been steadily refined over the years, with each generation improving on the last. Owners consistently praise its drive quality, but more importantly, they value the peace of mind it brings, fewer surprise repairs, strong resale value, and insurance premiums that stay reasonable due to excellent safety ratings. If you want an SUV that looks sharp, drives well, and won't become a financial headache once it's paid off, the Mazda CX-5 is a smart, regret-free choice that lives up to the promise of long-term reliability. Number 3. Toyota Camry. If you asked me to name a car that buyers almost never regret, the Camry would be at the top of the list. And for good reason. I've seen countless vehicles come and go, but few have earned the kind of long-term trust and reputation for reliability that the Camry holds. This is the go-to choice for drivers who value peace of mind. Whether you plan to keep it for 5 years, 10, or even longer, the Camry is built to last. One of the secrets to its longevity is Toyota's engineering philosophy. Instead of chasing flashy redesigns or experimenting with risky new tech, Toyota improves the Camry steadily and deliberately. The result? Fewer drivetrain issues than nearly any other car in its class, year after year. That means fewer surprise repairs, no scrambling for last-minute warranty extensions, and no worrying about major failures at 80,000 miles. Camry engines and transmissions are famously durable. I've seen models pass 250,000 miles with little more than basic maintenance. It's also a smart financial decision. Insurance costs tend to stay low, resale values hold strong, and extended warranties often go unused because the car simply doesn't need constant attention. If you want a sedan that will quietly and confidently serve you for years without turning into a money pit or a regret, the Toyota Camry is everything this video is about. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. Few vehicles have earned a reputation for rock-solid durability quite like the Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking for an SUV that can outlast trends and maybe even outlive your next 2 or 3 smartphones, the 4Runner is it. Yes, it's old school, but that's exactly what makes it so dependable. The 4Runner isn't overloaded with complex failure-prone tech. Instead, it relies on proven components that stand the test of time. Owners love it for its toughness, simplicity, and consistency, qualities that are getting harder to find in today's SUV market. Insurance premiums stay reasonable, resale values are outstanding, and repair costs are often lower than expected for such a capable vehicle. Whether you're hauling gear, heading out on a road trip, or just getting through the daily grind, the 4Runner won't let you down. If you want an SUV you can count on for the long haul, one that won't hit you with surprises or regrets, the Toyota 4Runner is a choice you can make with total confidence. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. When it comes to hassle-free ownership, few vehicles deliver like the Toyota RAV4. It's not just America's best-selling SUV by the numbers, it's a long-term investment that rarely disappoints. Talk to any long-time RAV4 owner and you'll hear the same story. It just worked. Toyota's approach with the RAV4 is all about steady refinement, not risky innovation. Each generation builds on proven reliability, improving what matters and avoiding unnecessary gimmick. That's why it earns consistently high marks for engines, transmissions, electronics, and safety. This long-term dependability translates into real savings. The RAV4 holds its value exceptionally well, with low insurance costs and minimal repair bills. I've seen many cruise past 200,000 miles with basic upkeep, saving owners thousands over time. It's also one of the most versatile SUVs on the market. Whether it's commuting, road trips, snow, or light trails, the RAV4 handles it all while keeping running costs low. For older buyers especially, it's a vehicle you can rely on for a decade or more without worry. If you want an SUV that won't let you down, mechanically or financially, the RAV4 is hard to beat. It's not just reliable, it's confidence on 4 wheels. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.